Salam alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Peace be unto you. As you drink, Amen. And age na yen bone. And the little we are here to do is to make sure that our health is in place. Intino and eju medie say ye behwanu fo no. Nienti e wa ha ne say ye mpesa obde sika pudu beko hospital ansa na wakoma ho yaresa. We don't want you to pile up your money and go to the health facility and pay huge amount of money for your health. You can start it now. There's a saying that your health is your wealth. Uwapomudea esika bebre. Intino no ene see na ye papa mo ye mama mo bia wonofo. And I'm not leaving our fathers behind. Yem papa no mo smoke ho. Jumedie na ye pese ehu mema ka say me Eman. Aha. Ana ne to so ne say ye mama no. Mo nso ne wo ha mamo. Anna, the focus is more on you. The reason is you go through breastfeeding. Yeah, and say mama manufo. Until at a point now was senufo ne changes mu bebre and sana wa mauden obanufo. You best start a physical examination. Why as in bisane say then I'll be who say onufo ne be touch man and touch my. How would you know that your breast is at a defect or it's functioning properly? So we're going to be doing a physical examination about breast, okay? Say be a one kasa wo fie, na be a ye kwa, one kasa obetimi a breast examination. Pacha ya ti ase. Enti no se ugina ahwehwe ma, enti obegina menchen say. Se ugina ahwehwe ma o de wonsa mienu ebetu usisi so enti obeya na wachero. Enti wo hwa be hu se e wo so hu se onufo no ba ko but ideally nyankopon onya nsapa no for no hwa ba ko so sen ba ko naturally but to the bia say bibi atochema wo ho a the kese no is more than say nyankopon de amai pacho ya ti ase enti no we a osisi mieri na ode asisu no na onsa mieri na ode asisu no be peja ba ko akọ weti ko into obeye de achero. And so in this process that you're doing, you are half naked. Excuse my word, please. At this point, I have to use it. And so you are half naked. You're trying to say, oh, Saturday. Say you are born tinti na ye shata into Mr. Moa. And to know peja on saniko with tikwa. Oh, me peve na ya papa mo leva no we really do ya that's it. Thank you so much. And to know peja on sako with chia. Then you see the physical size of your breast. So with the right hand behind your forehead or behind your head, you go to your left breast and you press it gently. Oguswa oye no, I was already say be abba. But for Kasem will tell you lump. Say be abba bi woma. Pacho me miane de dende. Isanzi ekra no when you are going through changes, na ya no for no. And say there are pains in the breast, okay? So you gently move your hand round onto your breast. You do same for your right hand, your right breast as well. Please, are we okay? Yeah, we are. Unufuna no. Ube mia. Say be and so be frimuba. Me pacho way. Ye mame no monye mana mushe omoma enkofo no for no. Monka ho.
Okay.
Why me pamacho? Because ideally, when you're breastfeeding, you're supposed to have some sense of milk coming from your nipples. Into pacho, so now you're young girl and you're having discharge from your nipples is a question mark.
Okay.
Moving on, I will start moving from upwards to downwards, and with our physical examination to be free astro. Now I confirm as well. Be me say be aba ebi woma pacho yati asiye. Pacho, the second one because no who hear me pa sawa ria me face ye papa mono sawa ria
okay
to medie no ye papa no munyama yen first one sawa waria me pacho eno no ye ode second one sawa waria me sell a free show e okunu ne de penkuto enkuto menka oil share butter. Aha. Ni na ye juman pepepe. Enti no be man no be fa na wa robe won same. Me say mo say into mama or year no adaho. But man adaho, where you not tired, baby. Now what the unsano afa nufono. No, I am a boko, wow, dear. Aha. Now I know. Say the year and the first one, be call round the breast, up and down. No be mia anono. Say be an so move muba. We are near cano wow dear. Pacha say ati ase. NCCano process na is a physical examination. We have 4 procedures in finding whether you have breast cancer or not. The second one is mammogram. The third one is ultrasound. We have biopsy as well. And to another the health facilities. That is when you've gotten to a state that is critical when it comes to breast cancer. But with this physical examination we did is for yourself. So one kasa ubeye will fear as time goes on. Send ebeya mesel. Enkobane say ubewo aba ebi wo nufonim and sana wako health facilities. But I say atiase. It's a mecheche munia breast cancer. Cancer ye adia etise sebio aboeja nenai. Oja nenai ba ko to ho no ma. Adam for abobebe hu se oja nenai sabon ba beja nenai den egu ho. It be hu se once na eba se je nan ni bebre. It's a scenario I'm citing here. Pacho atiase. Ye ba ha say ni ebebe ejumedi ama obi biara ha say no. Pacho ye kwa menjai. Nti na me sha ase no. I said that with a physical examination before. It's very important. There's a saying that the very first thing you set your mind on, it sticks. And to the more we have the examination in mind, and that is it. So meme pe the NSA. Would you always your exercise na ya wa say ni aka no memfa eno ehun hia me. Pacho yati ase. Nti mestre say be fi ase na ya ko no. Mestre obi a say me maame, me papa, me nua ba, me nua bema. Educate people about the breast because it's very important. We've had cases in mema you try munufo. So who say bema she ni kokoso. In as much as a mema wo kokwa, sometimes you hu no for no. Ya bema you try no for into ya hu mark no. And ye yisa emwa into I say wa pra say aboabeja ne nine na wa praja nine e free honom no. Sane ye no hospital. Into ne say emwa ne wo honom man. Let me put it in that way. Money or honor ye so they don't multiply or replicate. But I say, Madam Wase.
I was say emphasizing on the fact that cancer now breast cancer any say onomonsa ubenya any cause say menya breast cancer any cause but factors surround it no to me ama wenya breast cancer. And secondly still a boon sound kwa dear, ubetumi enya breast cancer. Number 3, still ma bofra no fun kwa dear, there's a high chance say ubetumi enya breast cancer. Obu wa ne ba no nya 1 year. Wa na 3 months no san fanyin sen. Into to me ma ne ba no nufuo. Ni na etumi boa no na ahye. Ehye san so a abatumi bedem. E no kire yen se ne ebetumi amassage ye no fo no. Or shall say so be call round obe fish show abafem no cray. But was so son who say obe to me I shall say oh amotium because you're no for no ekra. Brofobeka say cartilages be a trick or yamotium. A to de be a oh who are banu or no funim. Ba obe who amotium. Oh who are babos or no funano or ya cocoa. No fano beck or cocoa. Or your tuntum can no fano beck or call. Now say as one okutua. Sine who say dot no. No for no to me sir. A wom say no for no back or saying back dear. But back no to me a cassia, it to me so ya ketua. Ning na your factors are a true agency say me your breast cancer. Obi any wow to me cast me ma we draw na a chiching. And ask me more draw now the astraso. Obekun. No credit back. Fakwaya resabia na yen show. Niema ho anu edro. Enye hu. Enti se first na obi etmu. Osisi a omo yinche. Ye twama ona de what to edro so. Obeye from a obi ehu say ye twampo. Na afen so yen ya yebu yensa no. Ubebu wonsa ono fotumi hyehye. Ubu wonsa wie nso a etumi hyehye. Enti 5 days before bebu wonsa no, e wo say wo hwe onufu no. Ubu wonse wie nso a enanum echire no e wo say wo san hwe onufu no. Oka say wo say enuano mema no etwetwe onufu no e no kre banansen aye ko husuku. Nansen aye ko husuku e mo kire yen say fear no dear emwa na emo mo betumi de edi agro patcho na meka na yate ase e wo se wo de wa obo wa na ontwa ne ba no funsuo ye obenom no funsuo na wonom no e bi kra na bibi wo no funsuo ni mabetwe wa adwen akoso ba na wonnim afen so asai se be kese no obo wa wetwa no fo o ma ne ba no fo biom but ube mia wo no fo na no na nsuo fi mu ba say white okay but so who say I say I know who cream kakra green I say yellow na ma scent so a bon kai say bibi koso a e wo say utu ho anamo pacho ya ti ase kakra me de ka ho
Possibly, one was the Bible, Akadam, Nasuma Yade, Mambo, it's a part of that tree, Nasuma Yade, man, no, Akadu.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.